The envelope system is a simple budgeting method that helps you manage your money and save effectively. Here's how to set it up. Number one, determine your categories. Start by identifying the spending categories which you want to allocate money, such as groceries, entertainment, and transportation. All right? Now, number two, create envelopes. So label an envelope for each category. You can use physical envelopes or a digital app if you prefer cashless methods. All right? Number three, set a budget for each category. Decide how much money you want to allocate to each envelope based on your monthly budget. All right? Number four, withdraw cash. So basically, take out the total amount of cash that you need for the month and distribute it to the envelopes according to your budget. All right? Number five, spend from the envelopes. Spend from the envelopes. So basically, only use the cash for each envelope for its designed category. Once the cash is gone, you cannot spend any more for that category for the month. Number six, adjust as needed. Okay, so basically, at the end of the month, review your spending, and if you find you need more in one envelope, consider adjusting your budget for the next month. Number seven, save leftover cash. So if you have any money left over in an envelope, you can choose to roll it over to the next month and move it to your savings envelope. All right, now this system encourages discipline in spending and helps you visualize your budget, making it easier to save money effectively.